సౌత్ ఇండియాలోని అతి తక్కువ ధరలకి రత్నాలనందించే ఏకైక సంస్థ 6JVR.
Today we're going to interview none other than DJ Bebo. You're a manager in IT company.
So I do work like my job timings are like 10 to 7. I log out and then I go for my DJ. All. I don't drink, I don't smoke, like I have.
And I've seen most of the DJs, they always love tattoos. Why? Is there any?
So I have total 5 tattoos. Each tattoo has a different and meaning what describes me.
No, you look so, oh my God.
I lost 23 kgs in 6 months.
Wow.
And all by myself.
Welcome to Suman TV. I'm your anchor Neha and today we're going to interview none other than DJ Tillu. No, whenever we name DJ Tillu comes DJ Tillu, but today I have DJ Bebo,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Because in Hyderabad, you know, there is a very famous movie called
I know.
DJ Tillu.
Yes, it's very famous.
That's a male version. Now you are the female version, DJ Bebo. So thank you so much for giving me a time. And Bebo, is it
Yes.
your real name?
No, my real name is Ajanta.
Ajanta Lora.
Not Elora, like yeah, my surname is
What does that
Chatterjee.
mean?
So Ajanta in general people know like Ajanta is like historical place name, but it has a different meaning. Ajanta is like everlasting fame.
Okay, so from where you are? कहाँ से हैं आप?
मैं कोलकाता से हूँ. I'm from Kolkata. Yeah.
Oh, from Kolkata to Hyderabad. How come this DJ
So
bring
it's
you?
a long story basically. So I'm in Hyderabad from past 6 years.
Mhm.
Yeah. So I do work as well. Apart from being a DJ, I am like typical IT guy, like IT.
You're an IT woman.
Yes, IT woman.
Oh, IT professional.
Yes.
Which company you're working?
So basically, it's a IoT based company. It's a home automation. So like we can call it like smart homes. We can control the home through phone application. So I work there as experience center manager.
You're a manager in IT company.
Yeah.
Morning you're going there.
Yeah, I just work
And
like
night
10
you're
to 7. So I do work like my job timings are like 10 to 7.
Huh?
I go by 10 and I come by like 7. I log out and
Hmm.
then I go for my DJ from like night 8:30 to till 12:30. And yeah, that's how.
Bebo, what? When you sleep there, man. I mean,
So like
DJs,
yeah, and apart from that, one more thing, so I'm into fitness as well. So at the same time, I have to maintain my good sleep quality with the proper diet. As I'm into fitness, so I don't eat shit. Like I don't eat outside food at all. I don't drink. I don't smoke. Like I have, because being a DJ, it's pretty common nowadays. People they do get booze and they smoke. Yeah, I don't do none of these.
You're a great girl, inspiration. But why you want to be a DJ? Like you're into already IT, having good salary, normal, good job.
Yeah.
Then why DJ?
So now
When-
the thing is, see, it's been 6 years. I gave my life to IT, like normal, like going to an office, working in the same time. And I'm of a kind of person I like to explore new things. And music is something I'm too much attached to music. Like my morning starts with music, and like I can't explain like how much I'm attached to music. And I wanted to be a DJ. Like from 2023, I had a plan to become a DJ, but you know, because of the busy schedule and everything, I was unable to do. And then from finally like, last year, I started learning, and I took like, and this year finally I got opportunity to perform and all. Yeah, from like it's been 4 to 5 months I started doing shows. Like I go for as a guest DJ. I play in pubs also. So yeah, it's going pretty.
But
fine.
your parents know that you're
Yeah,
doing
my
this?
parents they're like very supportive, and like being a girl. In general, what I know, like parents, they'll be like, "Don't go there, don't
Yes.
like yeah." As it's late night and Hyderabad, like different city, they don't stay with me. So yeah, initially they were a bit concerned, but yeah, at the same time they have trust on me. They know कि my daughter, whatever she'll do, but she will not do anything wrong or she'll not go to any wrong way. They have that trust on me. So yeah, even they also keep telling me, just take care of your health. I know you're doing good, but just don't get stressed. Take care of your health. They keep telling me.
But how people take it when you say I'm a DJ, woman DJ? How as a career it is good, and you know, especially for the girls. Okay, your parents support it, but
Yeah.
if we talk about the other side, like you must be having friends who wants to be a DJ, but might be unke jo mummy papa hai mana karte
Mana
honge,
karte
rokte honge, because there are so many problems around
yeah,
them.
even I'll
people.
tell you something.
Yeah.
So a thing is like, see, obviously parents will be concerned because you know they don't want कि उनके बच्चे different गंदे रास्ते में चले जाए, because DJ का भी ऐसा है ना कि whoever like the famous DJs उनका एक है कि okay they are doing really nice and all, but it doesn't mean कि if that person is doing nice that मेरा बच्चा भी अच्छा करेगा, right? So it's like कि like nowadays, like people need to talk to their parents. उनको बताना है कि नहीं, this is a good career as well. We can grow in that career also. And end of everything, what I feel like it's your own call, because see, parents be, they'll be concerned, but they'll be with you up to a certain time.
Yeah.
After that, you have to take care of your own self. And for me, like I come from a very conservative family. In my family, like short clothes are not allowed. Even if you're going out, you have to home like by 9.
Wow.
You're not supposed to get tattoo.
And
You're
now
not
what
supposed to
you're
get
totally
piercings.
opposite doing.
Yeah, because see, when I was teenage, I started exploring. Okay, this is what I like. This is what I don't like. That time I had few clashes with my parents, as of course, but after that they understood. Okay, this is what she is. This is what she likes, and I made myself very clear to them. Ki, okay, just because I have few, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, that doesn't mean I'm going a wrong way.
Okay.
Because even I know कि अगर मैं कुछ गलत करती हूँ, I have to face the situation as well at end of everything. They'll not be here with me. So
I
yeah.
know. So what's the first incidents, good incidents and bad incidents being a woman DJ? And you handle so well.
So good incidents, if I'll talk, as I'm like, I became a DJ, but it's been just, I told it's like 4 to 5 months. Like when I play, like people started appreciating my music. Okay, you play really nice and they enjoy, they vibe. And then they get shocked, how come being a DJ you're maintaining so many things like job and diet and gym. So, and they appreciate as well. So that is the good thing, what I really feel good about me. And a bad incident, if you're coming late night home, you have to be very, secure about yourself.
So what are the safeties one has to take care?
So safety is first, I should have bouncers when I'll play near the stage or near like the center stage, whatever it is, like I should have bouncers around me, that no one should directly come to me and talk while playing, because people keep coming.
They keep
they'll keep coming either to appreciate or to talk or to, request a music or something. But if you want to request this, there is a proper way, like write it on a napkin and just give it to the bouncer or someone, but you're not supposed to come towards me. So for that, I need to take care of those things. Plus, if I'm going for events, I'll check whether those event guys, like they are providing me the cab facility or not. And if I'm there, like what are the safety and cons? So like those things I think.
But have you handled like people who drunk, and then how you handle that situation?
So see, that time you have to be a bit assertive, I feel. Like you can't be rude, you can't be use bad slang or anything, but at the same time you have to be protective. So during the
this is also a quality of a woman DJ to handle that situation, right?
Yeah. That's also like not only being a female DJ, but being a female, you have to. It's not only in DJ, but wherever you will go, even in corporate, in anywhere, being a female or woman, it's very difficult, because every alternate or maybe almost every day you'll face the same. Like for me, it's too much. Like so now the thing is, like I have social anxiety. I don't like crowd. Like I like to see the crowd, but I don't feel like to be a part of that crowd, because of social anxiety. But still I'm a DJ. So like my thing is like I play, I like when people vibe, they dance. But again, at the same time, I don't go and I don't just get involved with them.
So what is the like packages, like how economically you can be free and financially grow? From what it start and it can go?
So basically it starts from like 5K to 10K. That's the start.
Per
shows.
Per show.
Yeah, that's the basic. And again, if you're a good DJ, if people know you by your music, so it can goes up to like 2 lakhs and like
5
3 lakhs. Yeah, depends. Like depends on you actually, how
big
much
DJ you are.
Yeah, how big DJ you are. And at the same time, if you are a DJ, you have to take care of, I feel like you have to take care of your appearance as well.
Yeah.
So, like there are a few DJs, they play really nice, but they don't take care of their appearance. And that's the negative point I feel, because see, you are presenting yourself in front of so many people. And if you are not looking good, you can't get the self-confidence. At the same time, the other people might think, okay, it's just playing a music. They'll not get attracted towards you. I'm not saying towards you in a wrong way, but if you're like, if someone is getting connected through your music, they have to, and this person looking like really nice and very presentable, that time only it comes.
But how come you're managing? Sometimes you don't get health issues, like morning you go IT and
so
then
now I'll tell you something.
What is the mantra?
So 4 years back, I got heart blockage. Yeah. So like I was 68 before, and
heart blockage at what age?
Like so my that time I was like 23 something, 23.
What is your age now?
Guess why?
You look young.
I'm 27 now.
So cute. Okay, so 23 you got heart blockage.
Yeah. So the thing is actually, before that also I was into sports. I gave my 10 years to sports. I used to play table tennis. I did nationals. I was state champion. I got award also. So 10 years I gave to my sports, and then because of being a female, it's very hard, I told you. So because of some reason I left my sports, and 2 years I was there, and then 2019 I came to Hyderabad.
You came to Hyderabad, anything like for the job?
Not for the job basically, so I just wanted to explore, and after I left sports I was completely blank. I was like not knowing what should I do next, because for me and for my parents, they also knew somewhere ki, okay, she's going to do something in sports, but it couldn't happen because of some shitty reason. And then after that I came to Hyderabad. I started, like, I wanted to become a cabin crew basically.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so after that I was like, what should I do, then let's do this. And then so that's how I
But you
came
didn't
to,
learn anything specifically skills or any course for DJ, just happened to you?
no course, like I learned from someone. So yeah, and now the thing is again, as I work as well, so the whatever the DJ institute we have, they get closed by 6:30, and my logout is like 7. So it was very difficult for me to go for a course to an institute. But yeah, I learned from somewhere, and that's how it started.
But New Year is coming. How's the New Year of Hyderabad? How you like
it's
deal
very
with that?
happening. It's very happening, and I'm gonna play somewhere. So like I'm gonna play.
But
as
in
well.
your highest shows in a day you have done, like, or in a month?
How many shows? So
Yeah,
again, it
in a month.
depends on your music. So if you just started your career, you can't expect much. Even in the market, like there are few DJs, they're playing from past 3 to 4 years, still they don't have like much shows. Why? Because I don't know, like probably because of their music, or probably because of like less demand. Because आज के दिन में it's like जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. So that's what I feel कि apart from music, you have to take care of your appearance as well.
So in pubs, and in these big places, celebrities also come to you. I mean, have an opportunity to meet them, or they came and told you, oh, this is my favorite, instead, oh, he's a star, karke, something like that. You had incident?
No, not yet. So I played, but yeah, I didn't get chance to meet any celebrity yet. But yeah, soon, you never know.
And celebrities parties also, now it's like a trend. They call DJs, and women DJs especially, it happens.
Yes.
So how you this trend welcoming? Like, how you take that? What is your opinion?
It's a good opportunity, I would say, because a DJ is someone who make people dance who doesn't even dance. So so that's what, like, even if they're getting chance to go for a private party or celebrity party where they can show their skills and talent, it's a good opportunity.
But do you meet more of Telugu girls who are doing DJ? Because we are seeing more of, people from Kolkata, Delhi, Bombay coming. Do you have met anybody, who from Telangana or Andhra, girls, they are doing DJ? Have you met?
As I'm in Hyderabad, most of the DJs, they are Telugu only.
Okay.
So yeah.
Women DJs, they are promoting.
Women DJs,
yeah.
So like Telugu DJs, and then you'll get like from other culture DJs as well, and people are coming from all over India to Hyderabad as well for playing. So it's a mix. I won't say like only female Telugu DJs are there. So it's a mix of everything.
So what 3 suggestions you'll give all the girls that are out there who is actually waiting to play, or wanted to be a woman DJ?
All I can say, just listen to your heart and just follow your instinct, and at the same time you have to be very careful towards your safety and security.
We need to learn judo, karate, actions or something.
Not that, but you should not be somewhere, or should not happen to let the other situation create what I feel like. See, a female is like, they'll get instinct before the incident happens, what I feel. So if you're feeling unsafe or something, you should leave from that place, or you should have someone whom you can call anytime. That person can be there with you. And
I've seen most of the DJs, they always love tattoos. Why? Is there any you have connection or sentiments? I've seen mostly DJs, whenever they become, they go for tattoos or bodybuilders. I can see such a beautiful effect.
It's a lone wolf. No, it's a lone wolf. I have total 5 tattoos, and each tattoo has a meaning actually.
So one is this.
Yeah, one is this. It's a lone wolf.
Okay,
basically.
And
this is a phoenix bird.
Oh my god, nice. And the third?
And then a third I have on my waist.
Okay.
It's a
5 tattoos you have?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And then one more I have here.
Oh.
And then another one I have a creeper here.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
5 tattoos.
And I'll get more. I have a plan.
But why all DJs are crazy about tattoos? Like why? Like
I see, like it depends person to person, but for me, each tattoo has a different and meaning. What described me or what like related to my life. Talk about
no,
the
but I've seen most of the DJs and bodybuilders go for it. Why? What is the reason behind it? To have more tattoos? Is it style icon
it's
or?
not style. It's just like, see, when people keep telling me ki why you are getting tattoo, after a while you'll get bored of it because every day you'll see the same thing. But no, for like me, if I like something, I want it like on my body and it describes my, you know, past or incident or my transformation. So yeah, it's
No,
more
but
of interest
but there is
actually.
myths also, na, to maintain tattoos. You have to be very
You have
careful,
to maintain.
and medically also you have to be fit, and there can be a disadvantage of
So yeah,
having.
once
Is
you
it
get
right?
a tattoo, up to 6 months you can't donate your blood. And yeah, and
Okay.
after getting a tattoo, you have to be very much careful towards your tattoo. Like you have to put the ointment and all,
Oh.
and you can't go directly to the sunlight. It might affect the tattoo. It will get damaged. It will get faded away soon. So you have to put a moisturizer and then, you know,
A lot of
sunscreen.
care, yeah. I mean, for having tattoos, right?
But in general, people should take care of their health and
So
skin.
basically, it's a love for tattoos you have, right?
Yeah.
Not only because you're a DJ.
No. Before DJ only, I had few tattoos on my body. After I become a DJ, I might got 2. But before that only, I
So
started.
there was nothing on like reactions or nothing.
No
You were
reactions.
having just fun.
Yeah, for that you have to go to a professional because nowadays in the market people like just get the tattoo in like 500 bucks or, you know, 1,000 bucks without any precautions and safety. So yeah, that might affect your skin. So that's why whenever you get tattoo, as it's related to your skin, so you have to go to a professional tattoo artist.
Okay.
Yeah.
So DJ women, I mean, at any age you can enter. There's nothing like that. Okay, too young also, at mid age, anytime. Like
Anytime you can get in, but the thing matters like
the quality what we need, at least.
yeah, the
love for
quality.
music.
Love, not only love you, yeah, you have to be very much serious about the music because see, nowadays in the market, like what happens, people are giving more chance to female because female is like they take care of themselves. Again, the exposure, the glamorous world,
Yeah.
they are like very, every time you'll see they'll be dress up nicely and putting makeup. But when it comes to the music, so what I feel, people should know me through my music, not through my like.
But
you know,
I think because of that, demand of women DJ is increasing.
yeah, it's increasing.
Because
Day
you
by
have
day,
to
male
be
DJs, they are not getting chance.
Glamorous look, you know,
Yeah.
add to the
Because see,
event.
it's a concept like when a female is playing a DJ, people will be like, oh damn, it's like a wow factor.
Okay.
But when a male DJ is playing, and again the male like they don't know how to like they give less priority towards the, you know, get up and dressing sense. Whether a female is like, they'll be like, what should I wear for this occasion? What should I wear for that event?
And what about the music? Will women DJ connect more with the music?
It's not so yeah, music is something you can't judge through a gender. So even not a female or male, like it just like even a creature or pet or even baby, they get connected to a music.
But do you have any incidents where you know, you've been paid and, you know, even got cancelled, or you know, you not been paid? There are sometimes news comes.
Yeah, few like a few
I mean,
shows
how?
happened. A few shows happened. Like I did my show and then like still I didn't get the payment yet.
Yeah.
And I kept calling and checking ki when I can expect and when I can expect. Yeah, this is the thing. But nowadays, like we are like ki if there is any event, we'll take advance, and before we'll get on the stage, we have to like take the full payment. Like you have to clear the full payment, then only we'll start the show.
Okay.
And as it's a club and pub shows, then yeah, we have to wait for the payment. We have to keep checking.
So your parents sometimes say, "Oh, we are looking for your marriage partner."
Yeah. So yeah.
So she's a woman DJ. Before that, IT नहीं बताना, ये बताना है. She is a woman DJ. Have you experienced that?
Yeah.
You know,
So
रिश्ता गया है, and then they have said, "Oh, my girl. I mean, लड़की तो DJ है." So
okay.
Is any reaction?
I'll give you one spoiler now. So the thing is, abhi before happening these things only, like my parents asked me, "क्यों तुम्हें करना क्या है? Whether you want to get settled down or how
शादी
you
या
wanna
डेट
see,
कर रहे हो,
date कर रहे हो,
हाँ.
तो लड़का कोई है तो हमें बता दो, वरना you want us to find someone, let us know, we will find बोल के they asked me, and I said कि no, because right now I really want to focus on my career. Like there is no one in my life. and nor I want to be a part of someone's life right now. And yeah.
No, but how you take this? Like, you know, if parents or if you say I'm a woman DJ or somebody propose you for marriage, say that's my profession.
Yeah.
So have you come across ke no शादी के बाद तो no DJ?
Yeah, I come across, and I have only one thing. It's my life. Just because I am there with you in your life, that doesn't mean I have to leave my career. Yeah, if I'm okay to leave my career by my own wish, it's fine. But no one should tell me you have to leave your career once you'll get into my family. Because what I feel, you know, I did too much hard work to come to this position. And now if I'm leaving because of marriage, then why should I, then why I started?
So do you think DJ, you know, a woman who's DJ faces problem in marriage and or you know, after kids it's difficult. Do you think it can be balanced?
It can be balanced, but you should know how to balance. And again, there will be so many people to tell you, please leave your profession, take care of your family, take care of your babies. But end of everything, do your responsibilities, but end of everything, you have to choose yourself first.
That's
That's
true.
what I feel.
So, but according to you, your friends must be there, you know, who are married and they wanted to be, you know, into DJ, and they must be, you know, suppressing
Not only
their
DJ, people like my friends, they got married, they have babies, and now again they feel like I should do this, I should do
come
that.
back.
Yeah, but even they can do as well, but that might.
But you think after woman DJ faces problem for marriage?
Rather than
so it's a big victory actually, I must say, you know, after marriage or kids you come back and do DJ, right?
Yeah.
So what
because see, there will be so many people to hold you back.
Yeah.
But again, you have to fight with yourself, because when I told my parents I want to become a DJ and I have these plans I'm doing, or probably I want to do such things I want to do in my life, they were like, nahi and all, kyun karna hai, abhi kahan se? Now why you are thinking to change your profession? Because it's been like you are just 26, 27 and now you're trying to change your profession again, and it's not safe for your future as well. It might not go well. But again, I want to do. See, I'll tell you something, एक ही लाइफ मिला है, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू रिग्रेट आफ्टर माय लेट 30s और लेट 40s कि मैं कर सकती थी पर मैंने किया नहीं. सो अभी भी मुझे काफी ज्यादा फिजिकली स्ट्रेस होता है कि मैं यहाँ भी जा रही हूँ, वो भी कर रही हूँ, ये भी कर रही हूँ, बट आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज I don't know for how long I can manage, but जब तक होगा I'll just do my best. Yeah.
But if I'll give you a situation where you know you went for a date or you know लड़के से मिल लो, so what introduction you want to give proudly?
I am a DJ
woman.
DJ.
And elaborate.
Yeah, I'm a DJ and
we will be asking about the schedules, you know. Of course, we work on nights, you know, there is no timing. So you'll be open.
If you are not okay to compromise, then don't expect me to do the same.
What a bold, yeah, that's the thing, okay.
So yeah.
So you'll be, for you is important who accept you as it is, that is more important.
I should not change myself for someone. Even if I feel to change, I can, but no one should ask me to change myself just because that person is asking for it. And yeah, if you really want to be with me, you should compromise somewhere.
Sometimes we break up and leave our love lives, you know, because of our passion for work.
Yeah.
Did this happen to you? That, you know, the passion is always there and people don't support you.
Yeah,
or your partner or love you.
Yeah, even sometimes it happened, people literally told me on my face that you can't do this. You will not believe, when I was 68, I told, I was 68 kgs. And
okay, you were
very much. I can
show
you.
You look oh my God.
I lost 23 kgs in 6 months.
Wow.
And all by myself. So yeah, from 68 to 45 I went. At that time, so many people told me that you can't do, and it's very tough to lose weight. That also, you know, late 20s. Why? Because late 20s mean female, the metabolism gets slow down. So it's really tough to lose weight. That's the reason after teenage only, बहुत सारी लड़कियां they put on weight all of a sudden because their metabolism gets slow down.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, so many people told तुम नहीं कर सकती. फिर when I started DJ also, बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि.
But did you had breakup or left a person because he's not accepting you as it is?
What do you think? Not accepting.
Or you just said okay, move on.
Yeah. I mean, see.
You had a breakup and very politely in an honored way you went.
Yeah.
How it was tell me.
So basically right now the thing is I don't have grudges for anyone because I really want to be focused towards my career. And what I feel, to grow in life, you should not hold any grudges or any kind of feelings. So if I loved a person, but that person is not with me, I am not supposed to hate because I have so many better things to do. So I'll just not hold my grudges with me. I'll just be let it be. And yeah, I know कि जो भी मुझे जिंदगी में जो भी लोगों ने खोया in friendship or in relationship, it's their loss because I know what kind of person I am. And मेरे साथ अभी जो लोग हैं, I have a very limited circle. they know what I am.
So I must say, you left your love life because of women DJs. I must say that.
Not
left
being a
or-
woman DJ,
Oh.
but okay.
For a DJ
I'm very
career.
stubborn. अगर मुझे कोई भी आके कुछ बोलता है कि ये मत करो, I'll be like नहीं. If I want to do, I will do it anyhow. And see, for me, my parents are like everything for me. If I'm
Okay.
not listening to them, then कोई बाहर का आएगा तो definitely that person doesn't matter to me. If I'm not listening to my parents,
Wow.
so yeah, I'm a bit stubborn.
You're so passionate about your career. I mean, especially for the women DJ. Obviously, IT के लिए nobody will stop you.
Yeah.
Right? And that's a good
That
job.
is like,
10
you know,
o'clock, 7 o'clock.
That is like, you know, मजबूरी में करना पड़ रहा है because again, I really don't feel like to take money from my parents as I take care of my like staying and all kind of expenses. And in gym also I put a very good amount. Everything I take care.
But what happened is, you know, careers वो बन चुके हैं mindset, you know, doctor, teacher, or you know, a fixed job.
But now
People
tell
don't
me-
think beyond that.
Yeah.
Like women.
Probably because of a good pay slip. But now the thing is, you might earning good, but what if you are not happy with your career?
Yes.
You are just coming home every day being frustrated कि ये क्या हुआ,
I
वो क्या हुआ.
know. Like women DJ के लिए भी people don't. Oh, okay, it's a passion.
Yeah.
Just time pass.
Yes, they just don't
I think
take it
that
serious.
trend has to be changed by
It will
girls. Like
change.
more girls are coming and they're taking full time as
Yeah.
women DJ. What do you
Yes.
have to say? Like full time woman DJ can go and a good career for a
Yeah,
long
of course.
time.
But yeah, they have to take it very seriously and they have to make sure कि कोई being a female, again, आपकी शादी हो रही तो your husband might ask you just leave your
Yeah,
career,
yeah.
or your parents might tell you just leave your career. So you have to be very stick to your decision what you've taken. And yeah, if you stick to your rules and like decision, then no one can stop you.
Wow. Do you have a dream to meet any singer, musician, or you know, as you're a music lover,
So like
you want to play for his party?
So like I don't have dream to meet someone, but I have another dream. I want to become a touring DJ. I want to go to different cities all over India, and yeah, I want to do international shows as well.
Celebrities parties DJ?
Yeah, of course, I won't mind. I would love to.
Which one you would love to do? Who
I
are the
hope-
celebrities you want to do their like parties DJ? It's
I
a
want
very
to go
trend.
for Salman Khan. Yeah.
Okay, Salman Khan party because
Yeah, of
he's a party guy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And from in Telugu media,
Okay, so I'm
They're very
sorry,
famous.
but yeah, like I would like to go for Allu Arjun.
Arjun party. You want to
Yeah,
play?
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I
Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu.
He is not a much party person like I've heard.
Yeah.
Junior NTR also have parties around.
Yes. So yeah, if I'll get chance, because yeah, but the thing is, see, as I'm not from Hyderabad, so कहीं ना कहीं पे थोड़ा मुझे lag होता है because
You play more of Hindi music?
yeah,
Hindi or-
Bollywood, Afro house, and like yeah, not Telugu. I don't
Okay.
play Tollywood music.
Okay.
I'm more in like Afro house, hip hop, and Bollywood.
Okay, that kind of music you
Yeah.
play. How people scenarios about the music here, like in Hyderabad? What kind of love they like music?
So again, it
More of the
depends.
request you get.
Yeah, so if I'll get like some Hindi crowd, like अभी जो Telugu है ही नहीं, they obviously they can't vibe on Telugu song, except few songs like Kuchi Marta Beti and like there are few
that's
songs,
a
yeah.
big song.
So
Yeah.
अगर वो गाने play हो रहे, even the person doesn't know the lyric also, they'll be like bang,
Yeah, it's
मुझे
a
अब
good-
नाचना है, yeah.
Yeah.
बट जो भी लोकल सॉन्ग्स हो गया जो यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा चलता है उसमें लाइक नॉन तेलुगु पीपल दे कांट वाइब.
But what are the 3 songs you can tell of Telugu? People love it. You keep tracking and people
Okay, it's
love
like
it.
Ranu Bambai ki
Ranu Bambai ki That's a
and then we have Kuchi Marta Beti
okay.
and U Anta Vama.
Ooh Anta Vama. These are the most famous songs, you know.
So
In
being a
pubs they
DJ,
play.
even if I don't know, like even if I don't play the Telugu music, but I need to know the music.
But the music is awesome. Like
Yeah,
you know, it's a
good.
like
And then
vibrate.
we have this Illuminati song.
Okay, you are using words very nicely.
So like Koncham Koncham Ostundi.
Even internationally, you have gone played.
Not
yet. Out of Hyderabad, have you played?
No.
So
So
that's
like, yeah, abhi I just started from Hyderabad. Then I have a plan to go for Goa, Bangalore, and then my home city, Kolkata.
Okay.
I have plans. Let's see how it goes.
So overall, the women DJ scenario is very positive going on in Hyderabad. It's
Yeah.
becoming very trendy, I must say.
Yes.
So New Year parties, how was this 2026? Are you packed or like
Yeah,
how
I'm
many?
packed. I'm packed. Like I like few
Already
days.
bookings when it starts?
So booking starts from 2 months before like the New Year comes. Like from November only people start booking.
Booking
Yeah,
DJs.
because they have to see. But now the thing is, if the club is organizing a DJ night, then they can get a like DJ
Okay.
from outside also.
Okay.
But they have to check whether the DJ is
But
vacant
how
or
many
not.
parties are happening this year?
Wherever
So,
you'll go, you'll get a party.
like one party you will play? Or
Yeah,
like
why? Because the timing is like I have to.
Same.
Yeah, so I have to be there like before
31st
the
night.
countdown
Yeah,
till
yeah,
countdown,
yeah.
and then at 12:30.
So you're already booked.
Yeah, I'm already.
I think All DJs are booked this year, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any idea in Hyderabad how many women DJs we have around?
It's like I can't even give you the count actually.
There
Yeah.
are so many.
There are so many because the thing is in Hyderabad now, like I think recently they opened so many clubs.
Yeah, so many club culture is
And
happening.
wherever you will go, you will get a female DJ for sure. One male and one female.
So it's compulsory, like
Not
to have.
compulsory.
But the demand is there. Earlier it was
Yeah.
like only the male DJ is started.
But as female DJs started coming to the market, and people
Hmm.
are asking for more female DJs.
So I think this is a trend recently come with
Yeah.
1-2 years.
Yeah, you can tell. Like not 1-2 year, it started from past 3 to 4 years only.
Okay.
But yeah, now it's getting more exposure because right now the party, the clubbing, the trend like went so high. So people are like going for parties and all.
So we can say women DJs are doing so rocking. I mean,
Yeah.
you guys are doing so well, and I must appreciate the passion. If you have a passion, time and security you can manage. Doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
time doesn't matter at all. You will not believe I
Hmm.
literally get time to sleep like 3 to 4 hours.
So in a day, how many hours you sleep? I want to ask.
So like yeah, if I get shows like what get closed by 12:30 and all,
Hmm.
by I come home by like 1:30 or 2, and then I like somehow I try to sleep by 3, and again I have to get up by 5 a.m. or sometimes
Ah,
6 because
By
yeah.
listening only, I'm getting tired. Okay.
Why? Because see, like gym is something I can't compromise with my
Hmm.
gym. Doesn't matter whatever I'm doing or not, but I can't compromise because that gym like gives me, you know, a power or probably
Okay.
strength to deal with people or to deal with the whole day things. So yeah, I go gym, then I come home and I prepare my own food as well because I don't eat outside because again it will spoil my health.
So I can say that fitness funda of woman DJ.
Yeah,
She cook her own and don't eat outside.
I don't.
Oh my God.
Even if I'm hungry, I'll just have my protein bar or protein shake and then I'll come home, I'll eat.
So
mine.
no outside food for.
No outside. I eat like once or twice in a month.
Hmm.
That's all.
So this is your fitness mantra.
Yeah.
What is your daily routine like? And how many shows you do in a month like?
So like it depends. Like yeah, this month like almost 3 to 4 shows in every week.
Okay, every week
Yeah.
you're doing. Oh, so I mean almost 10-15 ho
Yeah,
jata
this
hai.
month it was 9. For like this December it is 19th.
So we can earn better than a job. We can make 3 to 4 lakhs per month, I think, easily if you really work hard.
Yeah, sure. Maybe more than that if you're really into, you know, proper
Hmm.
DJ and you play so good. Yeah, of course. you can.
Wow. That's so amazing, I must say. So it was so inspirational, you know, to understand the rhythm of and the pulse of, being a woman DJ.
But I would like to say one thing.
Yeah,
like,
please.
Being a female DJ,
Hmm.
I feel females should take care of their health as well because
Yeah.
you know people nowadays they get influenced very easily.
Hmm.
If the other person is drinking, I should drink too, or if the other
Yeah.
person is smoking, I should smoke too. And I have seen DJs, not only female, male DJs, they
Spoil their
do
health.
like yeah, and it spoils their health, and you know, women get affected very easily.
Hmm.
So like if a man is doing, a woman is doing, the woman will get affected very easily.
Yeah.
So they have to take care of their health as well. And again, if you're not fit, if you're not healthy, you can't go for further
Yeah.
things.
So I think it's a big tip for the.
Yeah.
You can give 3 tips, fitness tips for women DJs.
So first,
Really?
just avoid packaged foods, whatever comes in. Like you know, अभी मैं chips खा लेती हूँ.
हाँ.
It's very light, so पेट तो थोड़ा भर जाएगा, but I eat less.
Hmm.
That's not less. So
Hmm.
just avoid packaged foods.
Mhm.
Avoid sugar foods. Like I don't consume anything what comes with added sugar.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even I don't
You're so
consume tea
strict.
and coffee also. Okay, so yeah, you just need to completely like break up with the sugar, actually the white added sugar,
Okay.
and just take care of your health. It's not like you have to go to gym,
Hmm.
but you just go for a walk. And you know, when we eat good, apart from the external body, our mental health gets so
So
good.
good.
If you eat junk, it will get spoiled. So it's a fact.
So these are the tips.
Yeah.
And exercise, yoga, meditation.
First, you need to start walking. Actually, just
Yeah.
get a habit and then go further.
Okay.
If I push कि अभी जिम जाके तुम 1 घंटा वर्कआउट कर लो, they can't do.
They can do.
So they have to start with very baby steps. So just go for a walk, then take a gym membership, do for 15 minutes.
Wow.
I do gym like now. It's been like I do 2 घंटा मुझे दिन का चाहिए. 2 घंटा I do workout.
Wow. I mean, you're managing your balanced life, I must say. It's not hectic. We always say we don't have a time. We don't have a time. I must say.
Yeah,
that.
people see अभी if you really want to do something, anyhow you will get time for it. और अगर आपको नहीं करना है ना, you will be like, so many people keep telling me, even though they are not into two profession, टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है, I get tired, and then ये हो गया वो हो गया. I mean, just stop giving excuses. You
Wow.
can do if you want to.
That was wonderful, inspirational interview, I must say. So चलो end कर दो एक अच्छा सा DJ song करके.
DJ song.
हाँ.
You want me to sing?
Anything, something relate to your personality. You can do Telugu का something करते हुए, you know, something.
It's like I have to get the setup here, then only I can.
Okay,
do
okay. You need a setup,
Yeah.
or you can just your one line, your favorite song.
Well, ऐसा तो कुछ
हिंदी
नहीं.
भी कर दो, no problem.
हिंदी भी कर
हाँ,
सकते
चलो.
हैं.
Remake, something remake.
Okay, I have to think about it actually. अब तक दिमाग पे कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा. I was like, I'm so
You
blank.
guys are fluent, yeah, for music, yeah.
So yeah, सुबह होने ना दे. We can do
So
whatever.
anything, do it. Yeah.
Anything?
Yeah.
You want me to
Go.
sing basically?
Anything, just one line, yeah.
सुबह होने ना दे, साथ खोने ना दे, एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे, तू मेरा हीरो, ओ ओ ओ ओ. Okay, that's all.
Good. It was wonderful talking to you, Bebo. I
Same
should call you
here.
Bebo only.
Yeah, you should call you.
So
can call-
करीना तक अगर ये बेबो नाम पूछा तो you follow that dialogue. मैं अपनी खुद की
मैं
favorite
अपनी
हूँ.
खुद की favorite हूँ.
Favorite
Yeah.
हूँ. But
And
you-
that is true actually.
हाँ.
I'm so much self-obsessed. मुझे अपने आगे कुछ दिखता भी नहीं
Very
है.
good.
And I just don't know. I just love myself.
Love yourself.
मैं अपने लाइफ में किसी को ऐसे इंसान को एंटर भी नहीं करती कि if I know this person gonna mess up with my life. No.
So
And
this name also kept by you only, Bebo.
yeah.
DJ
So basically
Bebo.
on my Instagram it used to be Bebo Lips. As I make reels for fitness and everything. But yeah, now it's like a DJ Bebo.
Wow, great DJ Bebo. Keep going, rocking.
Thank you so much.
So it was wonderful and inspirational interview of woman DJ Bebo. So for more updates, keep watching Suman TV. Till then, goodbye.